To create a Gmail account, you'll want to go to google.com or gmail.com. We'll click on Gmail over here, create an account, input your information here, create a username for your DVR, and create a memorable password. Once that is complete, we'll want to go over here to Settings, see all settings, come over here to Accounts and Import. Then we're going to go to Other Google Account Settings. We're going to come over here to Security. And we're going to come over here to Less Secure App Access. You want to make sure that this is on. This will allow your DVR to log in through port 465 on your Gmail account. Over here we have all of the different wireless providers here in the United States. We'll be taking a look at Verizon. That's what I'll be setting up today. Over here you would have your 10-digit phone number at vtex.com if you wanted to use SMS. And the way we would set that up is the SMS would just be a text alert to your phone letting you know that there was motion detected at whatever channel. And we could set it up to where it would text you that alert and send the attachment to your email address, so you could just open up your Gmail app on your phone to view the attachment. If your phone has high storage, then we could set it up with the multimedia service, and that would send the attachment directly to your phone, and you would be able to view it as a text message. Here we have an example of the MMS message being sent to my phone. As you can see, it has the NVR alert, the motion detection, what channel, time and day, my device name, and my device IP, and then it has the picture attached right to it. Here's an example of the SMS message being sent to my phone. As you can see, this does not contain the picture like in the MMS. It just has the same information as the last one, as the motion detect, what channel, time and day, device name, alarm name. And here I would just open up my Gmail app on the phone, and then you would be able to see the picture in there. Alright, after we get that set up and decided which SMS or MMS we want to use, we need to log into our DVR, go to Settings, go to Alarm, Motion Detect. Channels 1 and 2 are the ones that I'm going to set up for the motion detect. We need to make sure that motion is enabled and configured by the camera. The record channel is channel 1, and we need to make sure that the send email box is checked. So we'll come up here to number 2. Double check all the same settings. This is enabled. The record channel is set to channel 2, and the send email is set from channel 2 as well. Once we have our motion configured, we'll want to go to our network settings, our email settings under the network. We'll want to click enable. Our SMTP server is going to be smtp.gmail.com. Our port number is going to be 465. Our username is going to be the email address that we just set up. Our password for that email address. The sender is also going to be the same email address. The encryption type will be SSL. The subject line will be NVR.alert. You can name this whatever you want. We'll want to check the attachment box. Then our first receiver will be our email address that we just set up. So I'll set this up to be the SMS version. So we'll do your 10-digit phone number at vtext.com. So what this will do is when my DVR detects motion, it's going to email the attachment to this email address and send me a text alert to this phone number. We'll click save. Then to test it, we'll run the email test. Says our test email succeeded. So we'll come over here and pull open our Gmail. Here we see two email tests that I've already ran. And here's the third.